Hey guys, and welcome back to Daily Courses. And today we're going to be having a very short video. Today we'll be talking about image tag, audio tag, and video tag. So first of all, let's make the template as usual. Then let's come here. As you can see, we have a sound MP3, a video.mp4, and a YT.jpg. So let's say if we want to actually insert or attach a picture or an image to our website, we will load image. We will just write img. This will give us the image tag. It has source and alt. These two are very important attributes, I would say. So first of all, we will write yt.jpg and we're gonna open the live server. As you can see, the image is here. It isn't this image because if we take that image, there is nothing. So let's put it back. Now, what is this alt alt? So basically, when we load an image, it takes internet, takes power. So sometimes the user or the person who's loading the website does not have enough internet or some error happened. So this will make sure that if the picture cannot load, so it will load the data. So we're gonna say YouTube logo. See that it's not loading the alt text is not loading while the picture is loaded. Let's say something happens, then the alt text will be loaded. Whether it's net, whether it's a directory problem or something like that. So this is basically the most common use of images. Okay. After that, we have audio. Let's say if you want audio. So first of all, you want to put audio tag. Okay. So then now let's say we put our sound dot here MP3. It does not show because it's not how you use it. What you will do is you will simply write here controls. So we are giving it controls, built-in controls. And here we will do a source with source. So in this, let's say sound.mp3, and here let's not say the type for now. Let's delete the type. As you can see, the audio is here working. It is my recording that I made. After that, we have video. Okay, so let's go to the video template. It has the same thing source, but we will not be using that. We would going to use what we said is source with source. Here is the video MP. Here we can video.mp4. Here we can say video slash mp4 so that the browser knows it's mp4. We can also do a lot of things. Like for example, we did controls here and do controls here as well. And you can also do autoplay if needed. So what happens when it autoplays? We can take this off and now we see it is not autoplay. Now there is no control because we took control off. So you can do a lot of things. Basically, you can search on ChatGPT depending on your need. But this is a basic nutshell about multimedia in HTML. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like to enjoy or learn something, make sure to like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next one.